everyone, and for today, my devotion is from Isaiah 40 verse 31. It says that, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." Always put your hope in the Lord. Iiyak pero hindi hihinto. Madidisappoint sa tao pero magtitiwala sa plano ng Panginoon. And you know what? Putting our hope in Him will bring us benefits like joy and peace, strength and courage, also confidence. Isa sa aking na-testify na, hope brought me out of depression. It is victory for my God and myself. Dahil after so many battles that we overcome together, nasabi ko na hindi naman talaga nag-fail ang Lord to help me to become a better person. Hindi niya ako iniwan. Napakalaki ng kayang baguhin sa isang tao kapag ito ay punong-puno ng pag-asa, nakakaganda ng buhay, nakakapositibo ng pananaw. Kaya today, brothers and sisters, claim the promise of this verse. Ibigay mo kapatid yung buo mong pag-asa sa Panginoon. Tiwala ka at hindi ka niya bibiguin.